So these nuts here are 22 millimeter, and I tried to order a half-inch drive 22 millimeter Crowfoot because I'd like to torque them. They were pretty tight coming off, and I just wanted to see if I could torque them. So I tried to order one off of Snap-on. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks. I haven't heard nothing, so I decided to see if I could make my own Crowfoot. I bought a half-inch to 3/8 drive adapter. I cut the 3/8 part off, and I picked up this 22 millimeter flat wrench. The reason why I liked it is because it had an actual 6-point socket side to it. So I tried to use it, and I got one click out of it, but it was starting to bend right here with about 145 foot-pounds of torque. So I've decided that I'm going to reinforce it, and I was like, well, I might as well reinforce it with the whole wrench. So this is 1/8 inch thick. So the plan is to cut this wrench here. I cut it off here already. I'm going to cut it here, here, and then I don't know if you can see, I'm going to form that out, and I'm going to put that part on the top. But I want this to be on here. And the whole idea is I want to see if I can have this 22 millimeter marking on the bottom of the wrench. So let's see if I can get that. This is all I did to measure it. So I just cut this off flush here, and then I put this, align that right up so it was right on the edge there, and a little bit more. So you just see no orange. A little bit more, just a little bit more. And then I drew a line with my pen right there. So when I did that, I just marked up, lined that up there, and then lined that up with there. So pretty simple. I'm glad I took the nut off so I could test fit it. As you can see there with my index and my thumb that there's a gap, so I'm gonna, where that weld is, I'm gonna have to ground off a piece of the top part of the tool. Okay, so I got everything lined up, and now I'm going to tack it up. All right, so there's the finished product. You know, I started off with 1/8 inch and it was bending. So I got 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, so half-inch thick. And you're gonna have to take my word for it because I wasn't able to figure out how to video and use my torque wrench on that, but I got it down to 145 foot-pounds of torque on all of them. Okay, hope that helps somebody.